Today we're looking at ME3 butyl-based horizontal seam repair. Before we get started, let's always follow OSHA and local safety requirements when working on roofs. Always plan your work in advance. This includes products and tools needed to complete the project. Another consideration is weather. It can impact the installation and proper curing of APOC products. Additional information on weather requirements can be found at apoc.com. Existing problems can be trapped moisture caused by condensation or failed sealant. Let's look at a better way. Remove the screws along the horizontal seam. Using a gloved hand or a pry bar, gently lift the panel. Brush and blow away loose debris and old sealant. Using a caulk gun and a bend tip applicator, apply a bead of butyl sealant under the lifted panel. Install new screws one size larger. Be sure not to over-tighten. Now your ME3 horizontal seam detail is complete. For additional information on energy efficiency, maintenance coatings, liquid applied roofing, visit us at apoc.com.